Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. We are going to replace the boring default Windows loading screen with a custom image of your choice. And here is the best part, it's totally free, doesn't require coding skills and works on the Windows 10 and 11. Let's get started. Before we begin, we need to know how your system boots. Press Windows key plus R on your keyboard, type msinfo32, click OK. Look for BIOS mode. If it says UEFI, great, this method will work. And if it says legacy, you might need a different tool or BIOS mode, but most modern PCs or systems are UEFI, so you are good to go. Now let's design the image that will show up when your PC starts. Click on the search and then type Paint application. Click on it to launch it. We will create a blank canvas with the same resolution as your screen. Example, if your display is 1920 x 1080. Head to the toolbar and then click on Resize and Skew. Under Resize, change from percentage to pixels. Then uncheck Maintain Aspect Ratio. Enter your display resolution. Then you click OK. Let's fill the background with black using the Fill tool. Head to the tools on the toolbar and then click on the Fill tool and then select black from the colors. This is important because UEFI firmware doesn't support transparent images. Now let's insert our custom logo. This could be your brand logo, a cool symbol or anything you like. So head to the top and then click on File. Then choose Import to Canvas. Then from a file. Then head to the location where your custom logo is located. I have mine here, named Boot Logo. Select it and then click Open. Now let's resize the logo. Right click on the logo and then click Resize. Resize it to about 400 to 400 pixels. Click OK after resizing and center it on the canvas. Finally, click on File and then click on Save. Rename the file as Splash, and for the Save As type, save it as 24-bit bitmap. For the location, I'll save it on my desktop. Then I'll click Save. Never save it as a PNG or JPG. Transparency or compression can cause boot errors. BMP is the safest format for UEFI system. Next, let's download and install HackBGRT. To actually replace the boot logo, we will use a free open source tool called HackBGRT, a popular and safe utility for customizing boot logos. Download HackBGRT from its GitHub page, and I will leave the link in the description. After downloading HackBGRT, extract the zip file. Inside the folder, find the existing splash.bmp file, and then replace it with the one we just created. Now right-click on the setup. Click Run as Administrator. Click Yes to continue. A command window will open. Type I. When the application opens, close it. This will install the HackBGRT with your custom logo. Once done, press any key to quit. That's it. The tool is now installed. When you restart your PC, some systems may show an error like verification failed or security violation. Don't worry, this is just secure boot blocking unsigned bootloaders. Here is how to fix it. On the error screen, press Enter to open the key management menu. From the list, choose Enroll Hash from disk. Navigate to EFI partition where HackBGRT is installed. So under EFI, you choose HackBGRT. Then you choose gnroot x64.efi. Confirm and then press Yes to enroll hash. This will take you back to the beginning of the error screen. Now choose Reboot to reboot your PC. Secure Boot will now trust HackBGRT and your custom boot logo will load without issues. And if you ever want to go back to the original Windows logo, head to the extracted folder. Now run setup.exe from the HackBGRT folder as administrator. Click Yes. Now type R to remove all the files completely. So you just type R. And you are back to the default Windows startup screen.